Hello friends, I'm so happy. It is amazing to have you on my channel where I share ideas on trading and Web3 related projects. Today, I want to share my thoughts on the most profitable between trading and airdrops. So let's quickly dive into it. Do well to support this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. First of all, I would like us to know what trading is. What triggered this topic, what laid this topic in my heart for me to share it is because of the question. I saw this question on Quora where somebody asked if he is supposed to go into trading or into airdrop. He wants to know which one is more profitable. So it's the reason why I came up with this idea. I said, okay, let me share my own thoughts on it via my YouTube channel. So a cryptocurrency airdrop, to me, in my own words, is an idea that is carved out by project owners to distribute their tokens to various participants for free via their various cryptocurrency wallet addresses. Now, you see this idea of distributing cryptocurrency tokens, it helps the currency or the cryptocurrency or the new cryptocurrency rather to gain popularity in the market. It becomes popular. It makes other investors become aware of the existence of such a token. If the token happens to go viral, let's say a lot of persons, 100 million, 10 million, 2 million, decide to partake in this project, at the end of the day, the project owners, they are going to distribute these tokens to these 2 or 3 million participants that have taken part in this project. Okay, so by so doing, various persons are going to have this cryptocurrency in their own wallet addresses. Okay, so if they have these cryptocurrencies in their wallet addresses, and we all know that cryptocurrency gains value in the market by the number of people who are holding it. Okay, so if nobody is holding a particular token, it's not going to make sense in the market. It may not really have any value. So the number of persons who believe in the cryptocurrency, who hold it, who gives it value. So it makes investors want to trade on this cryptocurrency. So it makes a lot of investors who want to come in because of the potentials they have seen in this cryptocurrency. So generally, that's just what airdrops is all about. Okay, quickly, we have various types of airdrop. A lot of persons, especially nowadays, this Web3 mining is gaining popularity. The wave is very, very high at the moment, but many persons are new in it and are getting these concepts confused. A lot of persons are confusing cryptocurrency airdrops and they are mixing things up when it comes to airdrop and trading. So I just want to use this avenue, this opportunity to clarify certain things. And also, let's see the different types of airdrops that we have. Okay, so these are the various types of airdrops that we have. The very first one is the standard airdrop. The number one is standard airdrop. So standard airdrop, this type of airdrop, the tokens are freely given out to a particular target audience that have met certain criteria that the project owners have set for the project. Okay, so if you have met this criteria, they give out the cryptocurrency in an airdrop fashion. So we call this standard airdrop. The second type is the holder airdrops. Okay, the holder airdrops is a type of airdrop that is given out to participants who hold certain amount of cryptocurrencies in their wallet. So if you are an existing holder of a particular currency, let's say Solana, for example, wants to give an airdrop, and they say that if you are having a particular amount of Solana, or maybe a project that is coming under Solana blockchain wants to distribute its token, they will tell you that, okay, if you have, just hold 100 Solana and then you will get our airdrop. They may not disclose the particular amount of airdrop, but they will tell you that the more Solana cryptocurrency you have in our wallet, the more your allocation will be for the airdrop. Okay, so holder airdrops is just like that. Now we have the third one, which is exclusive airdrops. Okay, now There are certain projects that reward people who adopt it early from the initial stages until they launch. Okay, for those of us who have been participating in this space, you must have seen certain projects. They will just come up with an idea of wait list. They will tell you to join their wait list. They are developing their projects, making developing their website and every other thing. Eventually, once they go live, for those of us who have been on the wait list, we are going to be the ones that will participate in this project and gain the rewards at the end of the day. Then for the fourth one, we have the raffle airdrops. As the name implies, raffle, it is a type of airdrop that you get by luck, or let me say by chance rather. Like by luck, you get it by luck or by chance, because it is given based on lottery. Okay, so the last but not the least, we have bounty airdrops. Okay, bounty airdrop, which is the fifth one. Now for the bounty airdrops, with the current Telegram mining wave, I think to me bounty airdrop is the most popular amongst all every other airdrops that we have currently, because in this type of airdrops, participants are asked to complete certain tasks. The project owners may ask you to follow their Twitter handle. You may join them on Telegram, follow them on Instagram. They will tell you to, they may give us certain task. They may tell you to join certain group, various things. Just for those of us who have been mining in the Telegram space, you have seen all of these tasks. Okay, so this is bounty airdrop. So a lot of the majorly airdrops that are going on currently and referred to as can be classified under the bounty airdrops. Like the name implies, also again, let me repeat, bounty. Okay, it means that the more your engagement, the more of these tokens you acquire, the more of these points you accumulate will determine the amount of airdrops you have. Okay, so that is the reason why if you see a lot of persons who have more community members, they have a lot of engagement, they tend to have higher amount of points. At the end of the day, even if the project launch with a low value, they still have something to take home for their effort. Okay, so that is bounty airdrops for you. We have a type of airdrop, actually they call it retroactive airdrops. This type of airdrops are distributed in the tokens native cryptocurrency, in the project's native tokens rather. Okay, so it is a type of airdrop that is usually distributed to users who have interacted with the platform for some time before they launch it. Okay, but this term retroactive was widely being used after what is this called, Ethereum, the largest block decentralized exchange on Ethereum, which is Uniswap. After they gave out their tokens, I think around 2020 or so, that was when this term retroactive airdrop came into existence. Then finally, we may even talk about testnet airdrops. Like the name implies, testnet airdrops. Instead of giving out real tokens on the main network, projects decide to give out test tokens to see how their network is going to function. So you can use this text token to interact on it, bridge, do one or two things on the platform. At the end of the day, your activities will still be measured up, and then they may decide to give out their real tokens at the end of each of these phase. So these are the various types of airdrops and that we have, and we've talked about airdrop. Now let's talk about trading before we move into it proper. So having known what airdrops are and the various types of airdrops that we have, quickly let's talk about trading. In a very simple terms, trading simply means buying and selling, and the purpose of trading is for us to make profit. Now for the purpose of this video, trading involves the buying and selling of financial assets such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, bonds, options, futures, etc. Okay, we have different types of trading. We have commodity trading. Okay, we have the foreign exchange trading, which is forex. We have the bonds, we have futures, stocks and shares, and we have option trading. Okay, so like I said, trading simply means the buying and selling of financial assets. Most traders profit by the fluctuations of these assets. The difference in the prices between the time you buy it and the time you are going to sell it will be what you are going to take home as your profit. Okay, so let's look at a real market chart and talk about this trading proper. Okay guys, so talking about trading, Here is a live market chart, the commodity market. This is gold against the US dollar. So this is current gold market chart, 4-hour time frame. Please, nothing here is financial advice, whereas I'm not talking about trading. Whatever I'm doing here is just for illustrative purposes, so do not take anything here as a form of financial advice. So what if you want to invest in any digital asset, please do your own research. Okay, so talk about trading. Like I said earlier, trading simply means buying and selling, and the essence of every trader existing out there in the market is to make profit. Okay, now looking at this chart now, this is the gold market chart. Okay, we are looking at an uptrend currently. Okay, currently the market is in uptrend. Okay, and then we are seeing something like a bullish flag pattern here. So after this breakout here, the market proceeds to the upside. Okay, the market moved upwards like this, continued. Okay, so here we can take a careful look at those who bought this token from this level here. Okay, or who waited for the break. For those of us who understand chart patterns, we know that this is a bullish flag pattern, right? Then after the breakout like this, we expect the market to continue. So for those who bought even at this after the breakout are going to be in profit. Okay, so this is the essence of trading. Okay, now aside from that, if there's anybody who took the risk of selling within this area here, sold from here down to this level, sold from here, for example, anybody who sold from that area to this particular area is going to make profit at the end of the day. Okay, so trading is buying and selling. Now the market is in constant fluctuation. That was why initially I said the essence of digital trading, we traders make profits as a result of the fluctuation in the prices of the market. The market goes up, the market goes down. Let's say you bought a 50 kilogram sack of maize today, and then you kept it in your store or warehouse. You want to sell it. Let's say you bought that 50 kilogram weight of maize at the rate of at $50. After like maybe a day, 2 or 3 days, or maybe after a week, you decide to take it back into the market and the price have changed, let's say from $50 to $55. If you sell it at that $55, you have made a profit of $5. Okay, so generally this is what trading is all about. Now I would like us to see key differences now between trading and airdrops. Then we can now conclude on which one will be more profitable. Okay guys, here is I've drafted this few differences. There may be more, depends on you, but for the purpose of this video, these are just 5 differences between trading and airdrops that I have decided that I wrote out. Okay, for the first one here, for trading, and we have trading and we have airdrops. So differences between trading and airdrops. The very first one, trading is skill based, but in airdrop no skill is required. Okay, so for you to make profits in trading, it is skill based. It requires skills. If you don't have the skill, you cannot make any profit in trading. But in airdrop, you don't need any skill. You just know how to sign up on various websites, join like in the case of bounty airdrops, where you just join Telegram mini app and you begin to tap and tap. There is no skill involved there. Okay, now for the second one, trading involves risk taking, while for airdrop, minimal or zero risk is involved. So in trading, it involves risk. If you buy a particular currency, for example, like the gold one I just showed you, the gold chart, let's say you bought after the breakout of that bearish flag and the market didn't respect the pattern, you will be in loss. So you are taking risk. But in airdrop, there is no risk involved, except in situation where they are asking you to make payment for certain amount of tokens before you get the airdrop, then you will know that maybe this airdrop is not even a genuine one. Maybe they are trying to scam you. Okay, so airdrop is supposed to be free. And then trading takes time to master because it is skill required. There is no skill that anybody learns in a particular day. You take time to master it, whether you are a tailor or a hairdresser, whatever skill, furniture, whatever skill you will do out there, it took you time to learn this skill and then to master this skill. Okay, but in airdrop, it doesn't take time. You can join at any time, at any moment. Even illiterate, they are doing this airdrop thing continuously. Okay, for the fourth one, it entails studying and reading of charts. Just like I showed you earlier, you need to study the chart, you need to read it, you need to understand it. Not just study, there are a lot of factors behind it, like fundamentals. The factors you don't really see, but it controls the market. The factors that are being moved by maybe big institutions or maybe major influencers in the market. So those fundamentals also contribute to make the market to move. So you need to have this knowledge aside from reading of chart. But in airdrop, studying and reading of chart is not necessary. You just go there, you join, and then at the end of the promo period, whatever you have accumulated, they give it to you, and that is all. Okay. Now, finally, number 5, in trading, investment is necessary in trading, whereas in airdrop, investment is not necessary. Okay, so for you to make any profit at the end of the day in trading, you will have to invest your real money. But in airdrops, there is no investment. You just participate in it, and then at the end of the day, you gain whatever they decide to give you, because in airdrop, you are at the mercy of the giver. So whatever he decides to give you, you take it in good faith. Okay. Now, having understood this general concept between trader and I am a trader. Okay, I am a trader, and then I have seen the benefits of trading and airdrop. That is the reason I can come out boldly to tell the difference between trading and airdrop and which one is most profitable. And without doubt, trading is is profitable. It's more profitable than airdrops. Okay, but let's look at it from both angles now. Now let's say for the purpose of cryptocurrency now, let's say you bought a particular cryptocurrency at maybe 0.05, and then the crypto increased in value from 0.05. Let's say it increased in value from, let's say, between 0.05 to maybe 0.01. Okay, or maybe 0.02. Let's just say it increased in value. At the end of the day, you are going to be in profit. There is no skill actually involved in that. You can just hold it. A lot of persons have made fortune just by holding it from maybe 0.5 to, let's say, $1. Okay, a lot of persons have made profit just by holding these tokens. Okay, but in trading, you don't need to hold it. Okay, in trading, I can make $1,000 in a day. I can make $500 in a day. I can make $100 in a day. I can make $50 in a day. Now, this $50 I made in that day, especially in this era of tap telegram mining, some persons don't even get $50 at the end of their tapping. You tap and tap and tap and tap left and right at the end of the day for maybe like 4 months, 6 months. After so much engagement, after a lot of weary activities, they don't even reward you up to $50. So that is the reason why it's very difficult to see an active trader engaging in airdrops, because it is more profitable to trade than to participate in airdrops. But in trading, you need the required necessary skills. You don't just jump into it like that. You need all the skills. So that is the reason why a lot of persons are more in this airdrop space, because there is no risk involved. I realize that a lot of persons all over the globe, people prefer free money than when you tell them, come and invest, come and learn a particular skill, come and do this, do that. They will not really key into it. So a lot of persons are jumping into this crypto space because of the free money they feel they are getting. Okay, because in trading, you can still lose this $50, you can still lose your $100, you can still lose your $500, you can still lose your $1,000. But when you have the necessary skills, you can make that money. if not for some few airdrops. And a lot of people who are gaining more money in this airdrop are maybe influencers, those who are really who have a lot of community, you know. At the end of the day, they may get maybe $1,000, $5,000, you understand. But those who are down the leaderboard, down the food chain, you know, they don't get anything tangible at the end of the day. They just participate. At the end of the day, maybe $30, $40, at most $50, at most $100, you know. But in trading, you can do more. You can make this money instead of waiting for the next 6 months for a particular project to come and reward you with $50. If you have the necessary skills in trading, you can make this amount in a very simple and easy way within the shortest period of time. So these are just my thoughts and my ideas on on the difference between trading and investing, and then how much you can make between trading and airdrops, and which one is more profitable. So if you have any ideas on this, you can leave your comments in the comment section. I will go through it, I'll read it and also reply. You can share your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching again. Once more, do well to support me by subscribing to the channel. I love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Have a great day. For now, goodbye.